To a TVJ News follow-up. Earlier this week, we featured the story of a pumpkin farmer in Clarendon who has been facing heavy losses due to a glut and a lack of buyers. Days after TVJ News highlighted his plight, pumpkin farmer Robert Russell is now seeing a rush of buyers.
I don't know if I did thing just bust like that, but yeah, me start get little something. So I hope more people come on board. Because we need more strength to move it. So hopefully some more people come on board. Yeah.
So some person reach out and buy
Yes, man. Yes, man. Me have about 3 to 4 buyer where just click it up and I take them like 1,000 and 2,000.
It's more encouraging now though.
Oh, we have some man, and more encouragement. More water in the sky to come in, so we have more pumpkin to planting and more pumpkin to plant. We can't stop planting. We cannot stop. Because food. You understand? So we have to plant food. Because people need food.
The farmer had expressed concern that thousands of pounds of produce were at risk of spoiling after weeks without buyers. While he's grateful for the immediate response.
A pumpkin at the field right now. We can't measure it. We cannot measure it. You just want to pick. Because more you pick, you release the other one to come fit. A Cayman that are going. That going straight at Cayman, You saw them pretty? Yeah. And it big like wait for it too. And I said I go steering at him 2 or 3 more days from now. You was here and hear the young man call and say, I wait for the pumpkin. So you know, say, gone, he gone.